that you can actually earn coins on Poppo without spending any single penny or any single dollar? In this video, I will show you the 11 legit way to get free coins so you can be able to enjoy gifts, stream better, and even cash out without burning your wallet. Stick with me till the end of this video because number 11 is the secret of Poppo users. So don't even go anywhere. So let's go. Normally you have to log into the app, right? So when you log into the app, how you can be able to earn on Poppolive? One, you have to go to a personal live stream. Like when you go to your app, when you go to your tags, you will see where they say, okay, go to live stream, and you go into live stream as a new user. Like at least you will get a coin when you go to live stream. You are the only one to stay on that live stream. Normally, people might come into your live stream to watch you, to see what you are doing. Some people might not come, but at least you have to keep your live stream steady. Be say that anyone that comes in to your live stream can be attracted to give you a gift, even when you are still doing your tags at the same time. I'm waiting for your tags to get finished so that you can earn your coin. And number 2 here is joining party room for 3 hours. Why did I say so? 3 hours. Some people here might be saying 3 hours, is it not too much? It's not really that much. Why I say 3 hours is you have to stay like 1 hour, and that 1 hour will like give you up to 800 coins, and you still have to stay up to like extra 2 hours that will still give you 800 coins. You understand? So when you join it together, you've already known what you are actually getting, and also know that while you are actually sitting on the party seat, on the crown seat, because when you want to do your task, you need to sit on the party seat, which is the crown seat. You understand? When you are there doing your tax, anyone can just come in to send a gift, maybe general gift, and you'll partake in it. So number 3 is joining PK missions, which is 3 random PK activity wins. What do I mean by that? Like when you join a PK, like you're in your live stream and you now join a PK, normally when you are having a match with your partner, at least you are expected to win up to like 3 times with your partner for you to be able to earn from that particular match. So don't just play a match without you not having people to gift you to make you win. Understand? And number 4 is by playing games with coins. Yes, you can play games with coins. Maybe you can actually buy coins from the coin sellers. You can play games with it. You can see numerous of game in there that you can actually play without anybody not really disturbing you, but play it advisably, like the coin that you can be able to lose and still retain yourself without being angry. Understand? And number 5 here is earning coins from users who play game on your live stream and party room. Yeah, this is one of the best here. Why did I say it's one of the best here? When you're doing your live stream or you're doing your party stream and someone's decide, okay, let me come to your live stream to know what you are doing, or let me just join you. So people that are actually playing games on your live stream, when they are playing that games, you as a host, as the owner of that live stream or the owner of that party room, will also be earning from their games. You understand? So number 6 here is earning from coin box on people's live stream or party. Yeah, this is the most best way people actually earn. Whenever they come on people's live stream, they really earn from that. It's a general something, earning from coin box. So, and how can you earn from coin box? Is by you going to people's live stream. When you go into people's live stream, you can see a box. You can see it on my screen. You can see a box there, which you can wait for them, like for it to count down. Then you can actually earn like 10 coin. Maybe in total, you might end up to like 30 coin or 20 coin or 16 coin, depending on the number of coin you were able to get. So you can actually earn from there. And number 7 here is earning from FireWorks. Like, this is one of my best. This is one of my best. Whenever I come live on Poppo, I go for FireWorks. And how can you earn from FireWorks? One is that you have to go to people's live stream. When you go to people's live stream, like you'll be looking down on the comment section because a lot of activities will be going down there. So when you look down the comment section, you will see where they say FireWorks is about to blow on so and so live person's live stream. They will call the name of the person live stream. You don't have to know the person, you just have to click on the name of that person or click on that particular area. It will direct you to the live stream of that particular person. So what you have to do is to stay there. And if actually you want to earn more on FireWorks, you can actually decide to send gifts to the host so that you can be able to be active and gain from FireWorks. And number 8 here is VIP daily rewards. This VIP rewards, it's also one of the best. You can, let me just say, is a monthly, it's actually based on monthly salary. You understand? So when you buy a VIP coin, you can be earning from there, like daily. They'll give you that this is what you can be able to claim daily on VIP coin. You understand? So it's also one of the best out of it. And number 9 is earn by going to people's party. You earn by going to people's party room to sit with them. When you're done with your task, you can decide to go to people's party room. You understand? When you go there, you can sit on their seat. It's not much that you sit on the ground seat, because why, if you're already done with your task, you just want to earn some income before you go out, right? So what you have to do, you sit there, but before you sit there, at least you have to greet the owner of the party room, because some of them might not even allow you. They will say you have to give a coin before they will allow you to sit on their seat or something, so that you can earn from them. So at least when you're allowed to sit there, you have to greet them. When you greet them, then you can still stay there and mute your mind, because maybe you might be in a noisy place and they might be saying something important and you yourself might be disturbing them. You'll be out immediately from their room. You understand? So that's the secret in there. And number 10 is earn by gambling with lucky games on party and live stream. What I mean by that, you can decide, okay, I want to buy coin from the coin sellers so that you can gamble with it. When you gamble with it, you can earn more times 2 or times 3, depending on how you decide to play that game and how smart you are playing the game. So you can, when you come to people's live stream, maybe the people you know or the people you feel like, okay, let me play games with, you can go to your lucky. Please don't just go to gifts. You go to lucky, that is gambling. When you go there, you can click on any particular gift you want to play, send it to anyone you want to send. You actually get a return back. Sometimes you might be unlucky not to get your return, but normally it's 90% of you getting the return, depending on the amount of coin which you gave back. And number 11 is inviting friends. Like, this is the best. Like, if you want to earn more on Poppo, if you want to earn more on this app, you have to invite people. You have to invite your friends. You have to, like, let people know that this is what is happening on this app, because both guys, ladies are actually on this app. So when you invite people and they do their tasks, you actually earn from them. So if you're looking for a link on how to start on this particular app, my link is on the description, on my description in this video. So click on it and actually join this particular app and start doing your tasks and start in. People in here monthly, weekly, every day. You understand? So which one are you going to try? Which one are you going to try first? I want you to drop the answer in the comment section below. And if you want to test out more Poppo tricks, or even expose the math around making money on this app, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You don't miss the next upload. Trust me, you will want to see what's coming next. See you in my next video.